fall, and it's time to do a little bit of maintenance on the truck before the snow starts to fly. And today it's new wiper blades. Now, before you do that, and you want to take another little extra step, if your vehicle sits outside all year round like mine does, what I like to do in the fall is to take a good quality, this is a polymer wax by Meguiar's. I don't advertise for them, it's just one that I've used and I have on hand. And the first thing I like to do is to clean the windshield thoroughly with a good window cleaner, and then wax the windows and buff them off with a good nice soft cloth, and it makes the windows so slick that just the touch of a brush in the winter and the snow slides off really good. So that's a really good idea to do. And what I do my windshield, I do my side windows, and I do my canopy windows as well, so that to brush the snow off is just, it's slick as anything. It's really saves you a lot of time. Windshield wipers come in so many different configurations. They're probably way more engineered than they have to be, so sometimes it's tricky to figure out how they come off. This one has some grooves. Got to get it off this arm, so you would think you would slide it forward. No, but if you look carefully, there's a tiny little arrow pointing upwards, so I would assume that this has to come off and pop off, but you won't do it by hand. So there's a little tab here. Here we are. And it just pops up and rolls off like so. And then the wiper blade slides off like so. Now, this is a Bosch wiper blade. No particular reason why I picked this. It just happened to be the one that they had on the chart and it recommended, and it looked like a good quality wiper blade. If you don't know what wiper blades you need for your vehicle, then measure them. This is a 24-inch. Both sides are 24-inch. And then go by the packaging and buy your 24-inch wiper. So this little flap lifts up, put it through here, into the slot, and that doesn't work. So if it doesn't work, as I say, they are very overly engineered. Take a look at the other side, and there's just a lot of junk in there that you can't figure out for nothing. So give it a try the other way. Just reverse it and see if that will work. So we'll put it through, drop it in place, and there. So that works. Lock her down, and that's it. You've changed your wiper blades. Just do the opposite. On the opposite side, do exactly the same. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope I've given you a little tip and encouragement on how to change your wiper blade yourself and save yourself some money. Until next time, this is Ray, thanking you for your viewing, and we'll see you in the next video.